Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the Saturday edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring latest WWE news and update including Zelina Vega released from WWE, while Sasha Banks commented on Evolution 2.0 and many more important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5, Zelina Vega released from WWE. Some hours before, WWE gave a shock to Universe when they announced the departure of Zelina Vega from the company on their official website. WWE wished Zelina Vega best for her future. This WWE release come out of nowhere and that no one think about it. So we can say that in coming some days, this topic remains on the top to discuss how and why Zelina Vega released from WWE. Here is WWE announcement. WWE has come to terms on the release of Zelina Vega. We wish all their best in their future endeavors. Just a few minutes before WWE's announcement, Zelina Vega posted a message on social media which stated, "I support unionization." Interesting thing is, last month Paige also commented on the same type of statement when WWE laid ban on using other third-party social media accounts. Till now, Zelina Vega's husband Aleister Black not give any reaction or comment on this. Last week, Zelina Vega was involved in a triple threat Survivor Series qualification match where he tapped out on Ruby Riott. Now on social media, finally Zelina Vega broke her silence over her WWE release. She issued one statement on social media. In that statement, she thanked everyone who supported her throughout his WWE career. Here is what Zelina Vega's statement. "I want to say thank you all very much for the last 3-4 years. It was incredible. I would never have been able to say this is for you, Dad, if certainly people did not believe in me. I love you all. I couldn't have done it without your support." There is no confirming news yet about Zelina Vega WWE release, but it may come soon as usual and it will be update you here, so stay tuned with us. Number 4 is Sasha Banks words on Evolution 2.0. In the recent interview, current SmackDown Women's Champion Sasha Banks discussed the return of Evolution pay-per-view in the future and what she thought on it. "We knew that WWE Evolution pay-per-view is only for women. The first edition of the event was held in 2018. WWE gets success to help this Evolution show and get so much positive response from the fans." In that interview, Sasha Banks said that Evolution 2.0 has been speculated for a long time now, but for some reasons WWE not hosted the second edition of the pay-per-view. She also talked about how special this event for women and their wrestlings as well as for the fans. Banks also said that she doesn't know the actual reason why WWE does not host the second edition of Evolution pay-per-view. Here is what Sasha Banks says. "Evolution is something I absolutely wants to happen again. I am just something that I think was so incredible for the women and for the fans that I don't understand why hasn't been second one yet." Sasha Banks also said that she believes that WWE arrange women's only pay-per-view at some point in the future. She also told that whenever the second edition happens, but she hopes that could be the better than first edition. So what do you think guys about WWE should plan the Evolution 2.0 pay-per-view? Write your thoughts in comment section. Number 3 is The Undertaker in talk with Triple H about his future role in WWE. At Survivor Series 2020, The Undertaker's final farewell is said to be happen, and surely it will be the very emotional moment in whole WWE, just like we saw during Ric Flair's farewell in the past. Right now, all things point out toward that The Undertaker is finally done for the good this time. So now question raised that now what's next for The Undertaker? What is the new role The Undertaker after retire from in-ring competition? In one of his recent interviews, The Undertaker talked about he would like to take a coaching role at WWE Performance Center, which now known as a Capitol Wrestling Center. Taker also said that he talked right now with the Triple H about his new role in WWE. Here is what The Undertaker said on his new role in WWE. "You know, that is the pickle that I am in right now. Is trying to figure out what lane I want to take. I have been the road of the so long, so that really doesn't appeal to me. Traveling and doing all that. I love to teach. Triple H and I have made many conversations about me working with the talent there is at NXT. I really enjoyed it, and we are just trying to figure out how it works because I would have to come in and go out. I live in Texas, so I am sure I will do more of that moving forward. I think it's a lot of offer. The product is changing and evolving. But I think there is a lot of what I bringing to the table that is still applicable to the product. These guys need to hear it and see from somebody who has made it for works. So we'll see what happens there. What do you think, guys, about which role is perfectly fit for The Undertaker in WWE? Write us in comment section. Number 2 is WWE signed independent wrestler Alex Zayne. After ending up his independent wrestling career, it's been a rumor that Alex Zayne could be signing with WWE. Now WWE rumors stated that Alex indeed signed with WWE after his final appearance for GCW. WWE latest news suggested that Alex Zayne will join next class at WWE Performance Center, which also featured Ben Carter of AEW Dark. This class at Performance Center could be the most star-studded since 2018, when WWE signed likes of Keith Lee, Matt Riddle and Mia Yim. Apart from Alex Zayne and Ben Carter, WWE latest news suggested that Japan female wrestling legend Meiko Satomura also joined WWE in NXT UK brand. So these are some just small updates that we think you all should know about it. Number 1 is Chelsea Green suffered an injury on her SmackDown debut. In tonight's episode of SmackDown, we saw that fatal 4-way match between Liv Morgan, Natalya, Tamina Snuka and debutant Chelsea Green. For the whole WWE universe, it's the easy pick that debutant Chelsea Green going to win that match, but it's not happened and Liv Morgan pick up a win. Now according to WWE updates, Chelsea Green injured in the early stage of that match, which resulted in winner of the rematch, and Liv Morgan got a win instead of Chelsea Green. Chelsea Green's injury is still unknown, but the good thing is her injury is not too much serious. So she will get second chance to seal their spot in SmackDown Women's Survivor Series team next week. In May 2020, WWE called up Chelsea Green to the main roster, but till tonight's episode of SmackDown, we waited for her match on main roster. We hope speedy recovery for Chelsea Green and believe that she come back in WWE ring sooner than later. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoyed. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.